Yeah, Morning Tower, Southwest 8620 on the ILS 26 right.
Southwest 8620 Ontario Tower, wind 280 at 7, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, South 8620.
Tower 844.
Cessna 844, Ontario Tower.
All right, did you want me to stay with you, or can I resume VFR navigation?
Cessna 844, you can resume your own navigation.
All right, requesting frequency change, please, 844.
No, 844, roger, frequency change approved, clock VFR, radar service terminated, and traffic 2 miles north of your position, altitude indicates 2,200, here's maneuvering type aircraft unknown.
Roger that, 844, have a good day. Well, that was interesting. Brackett chewed me out a couple times. There's noise abatement, and I'm not familiar, so I kind of screwed up a little bit. So then after departure, he told me to do a right downwind departure, and then handed me off to Ontario. So I was with Ontario for a few minutes, and now I'm squawking VFR. I'm getting ready to call San Bernardino Tower.
San Bernardino Tower, Mexico, Quebec, 1555 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 7, few clouds of 15,000, temperature 15, 2.07, altimeter 299.3, ILS 16, approaching use, landing departing runway 6. Notice airman, the crane located 2.5 nautical miles northwest of runway 6. All aircraft feedback, all hold short instructions, assigned altitudes, flies initial contact information, Quebec.
Helicopter 4003 Sierra, on taxiway Foxtrot, request southwest departure.
Okay, 4003 Sierra, San Bernardino Tower, taxiway Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, southwest departure approved, wind calm.
Yeah, take off, 03 Sierra.
San Bernardino Tower, Cessna 54844.
Cessna 54844, San Bernardino.
I'm currently over the 210, a beam Rialto inbound for landing, and with information Quebec, 844.
54844, roger, and our left base runway 6, reported 2 mile left base, summer altimeter 299.5.
Left base for runway 6, report 2 miles, did you say northwest of base?
42 mile left base.
2 mile left base, 844.
San Bernardino Tower, Archer 2134 Echo off of Redlands. We'll be making a turn to the north. We're going to go up to Big Bear, crossing the east end of your airspace.
Archer 2134 Echo, San Bernardino Tower, transition approved, summer altimeter 294.
34 Echo, thank you, sir.
San Bernardino Tower, Cessna 844, 2 mile left base. Pretty hazy, looks to be that, 844.
544, runway 6, cleared to land, winds calm. Traffic is a mini equipment on the runway safety area between Alpha 1 and Bravo.
Roger that, cleared to land, runway 6, requesting the option, please, 844.
Runway 6, roger, cleared for the option. Again, mini equipment on the safety area between Bravo and Alpha 1.
Okay, equipment between Bravo and Alpha 1, 844, and cleared for the option.
San Bernardino Tower, helicopter 4003 Sierra, request frequency change.
4003 Sierra, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 03 Sierra.
Okay, so we're coming into San Bernardino, left base for runway 6. Very hazy today, so having a little trouble seeing stuff, but it looks like we're on the right course here, so we're coming in. Gotta lose 300-400 feet here.
Tower 34 Echo, we're clear your airspace.
2134 Echo, please change boost, SoCal 12725, your leg via bird advisors connect.
34 Echo, understand, SoCal.
San Bernardino Tower, Eclipse 619 Juliet, are you working all frequencies?
Eclipse Jet 619 Juliet, affirmative.
Yes sir, love to get a tower-to-tower back to Montgomery, please.
Roger, stand by 1 ahead of code, let me call you right back.
Okay, no problem, thanks. Tell you what, let me start the plane up and I'll call you right back.
Roger.
Okay, got the runway. I'm about ready to turn final. I'm a little high here. So, we're going to go ahead and turn final here. Good full flaps. A little breezy up here today. Blowing me around. It was kind of tough over there at Cable. They were up at 9, I believe. Feels like that here. Okay, got the runway made. I'm going to do a touch and go here. And we'll head back to Redlands. A little different flight today. Never been over to Brackett before. Got so hazy I was having trouble getting my bearings there. I couldn't find Cable for the longest time. I turned around and circled around, seeing if I could find it. Finally, I found it. Remember where my landmarks were. Haven't been over there in over a year, so we're a little bit high here, so I'll get down. Big old bird. Kind of diving in here a little bit. We got plenty of room now because this is a big old runway. Ooh. Flared a little bit high there. There's equipment working.